Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you tuned in, clicked on the thumbnail, and want to see this Diamond Art Club because super cute. Let's dive in. First off, can't get over the box. This is like collector's edition. Can you imagine this sitting up on your shelf just waiting to be done? Second of all, this is Diamond Art Club's Little Diamonds. How fun is that? All their fun little characters. You need to check out their website and find the one for you or your children, your nieces, your nephews. Run while you can. I grew up with Spongebob Squarepants, and I remember Sandy, cute little squirrel, needed air. So obviously she had her special little hat so she could breathe in the oxygen. This is all inclusive, meaning it has everything that you need in order to do this diamond painting. It is round, great starting kit for kiddos or somebody learning how to diamond paint. Absolutely gorgeous box. You kicked it out of the park. So exciting. Okay, so let's dive in. This came in the box, which came in the normal Diamond Art Club beautiful packaging. You unroll it. Even though it's the little diamond, you still have this amazing patented backing. That's that velvet softness. Woo, woo, woo. This has 39 colors, people. 39 for a 15 by 13. That is amazing. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. What we're going to see here is that you do have two beautiful ABs. And then, yeah, so that tells you you have special drills. Anything that is below a 150 is going to be an AB right here. You also have this special sticker sheet, so you can put it on your kit up kit in your journal. You can tabulate when your start and end date is. And you have all of these stickers here on the side that you can put on your kit up as well, so you know exactly which drill goes where. You also have your key in the upper left, and you have it in the lower right. You have your pasting area, so you can see this is a full diamond painting. This is not a partial. Every single spot in this is going to be filled with beautiful pizzazz. All right, let's get up close and personal. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning. You can see there all the symbols, super clear. She's like, ta-da! Come and be my friend. Also, is the poured glue, nice and sticky. Let's dive in. You also have a sticker as well. This could go on the end of your box. It can go in your logbook, wherever you would like to put your sticker. Now, because this is one of their smaller kits, right now they have this toolkit. It's the simple toolkit. Inside, you're going to get your single placer. You're going to get enough backies for all of your colors. You're going to get your two waxes. You're going to get one multi-placer. You're going to get a squishy to protect your hand. And you're going to get a clear tray. So like I said, it's all inclusive, has every tool that you need in order to get this kit done and beautified. Put this over to the side. You also get this welcome thank you pack for your purchase for the new diamond painter. This is fantastic because it does show you how to diamond paint. Last but not least, the drills. The drills. All right, so let's look at these beautiful colors. Then we're going to see where the special drills lie. All right, so you've got beautiful greens and yellows. All these gorgeous colors. There's your AB 141. Beautiful sparkle there. AB has a special coating on the top that gives you a little bit of a shimmer shine, similar to a sequence effect. I can't get over how many colors are in this kit for this size. Diamond Art Club outdid themselves. All right, there's your other AB. You can see there that shimmer shine. Gorgeous colors. Oh, these were like, hey, let's party. It's 1999. All right, let's see where the ones are. Looks like the ones are in the back of her tongue. And then here on her wonderful, it's like a space suit, but it's for the ocean. And then the twos, okay, so the twos are all of this right here. So it's blinging out her suit hat. How gorgeous and cute is this little flower? They did an amazing job. The rendering is stunning for the size. You guys are absolutely going to love it. Please check out all the other ones over at diamondartclub.com. And I can't wait to see your images completed from the Little Dots collection. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.